let's do a fun experiment. Instead of those other stuff, I really want to do an experiment that I never did before. I saw this in the internet and I said, I really want to do this for my channel. So for this experiment, we're gonna need 2 glasses of water, 1 towel paper, and some markers. They have to be dark so it can show. Let's get started. I'm gonna start by coloring with my markers lines of colors, copying on the other side, but leaving the middle open so it can form a rainbow when we put it in the water. So I'm gonna start with pink. Okay, for the final process, first we're gonna just move the markers away. Now I'm gonna put my piece of paper, take that out. I put that under so my table wouldn't get wrecked. Pull the cups in. There we go. Twins. Cheers. And now, just gonna dip that in. I'm just gonna scooch it over. There. Now, let's dip it in. And it will start to come across, hopefully. I never tried this before, so I hope this works. Oh, the water! Look at the water! Whoa! Done! It connected. But now the end part, the color is gone. So, did you guys like this video? I'm so happy how it turned out. It looks like a dark color rainbow. Yeah. Guys, subscribe to my channel and give me a like. I'm so happy for the next video. See you next Saturday. Bye, guys!